not 3 at 3, because I couldn't get it out. I couldn't get 3 at 3 out today because I'm on the road. So I had to come back to the house and try to put it out from here. And it looks like it's working, but again, I am not sure because this isn't the usual setup. But I'll give you what I got, which is starting right now. 3 at 3 brought to you by me, Jon Najarian. This is the last day of 2020. It is the 31st of December. As usual, our disclaimer is that this is provided for educational and informational purposes only. Full stop. So you need to understand that all investments involve risk. Some of the strategies I might describe may or may not be appropriate for you. So you've got to figure that out on your own or consult an investment professional. Intellectual property rights, yes. Before you use this, please ask us. We will be happy to grant you permission, but you need to ask us first, folks, okay? All right, let's see. How about this? Jets. This is one that I did on the halftime report. Jets. This is, of course, an ETF that tracks the airline sector. And we said, with the stock at 22.37, that they were buying the March 27 calls. Many of you know that that is not probably the call that John would be buying, because I want to buy something closer to the money, sell something out of the money against it so that I can address, make my capital go further, so that I can address time decay, which is theta, so that I can address volatility, which is also something that can work for or against us when we're trading options. So they bought these for 60 cents. There is a graph of Jets, and as you see, as of just a little bit ago, it was 22.39, which is just pennies from where it was when I first saw it, and we posted it up at 11:02 Eastern Time on Market Rebellion. All right, how about this? Voyager. My brother Pete and I and a number of members of our staff have investments in Voyager. Voyager is a crypto broker. As you see there, 50 plus digital assets, access to those, commission-free, crypto made simple. Yeah, that's Voyager. We are investors in that company. They do a fabulous job. I trade through Voyager for digital assets, and I think it's a fabulous play. It's a publicly traded company in both the United States and Canada. How do you beat it? Second trade, Capri. I love that Morgan Brennan, being Italian, knew that it's pronounced Capri, not Capri. Capri. And Capri, February 42.50 calls. These are virtually the at the money calls. So I did buy these because they are at the money. I like buying at the money, selling out of the money, because I move the odds into my favor each and every time I do that. Doesn't mean that you're guaranteed to win, but it means you're playing smart, and that's the way I like to play. There is a chart of Capri as it moves to 42.43, which is rather nice. And if you'd like to take a first step to get started, well, we make it really easy for you, because you don't even have to think very hard about what was that John said? marketrebellion.com/get started. That's right. So if you go to marketrebellion.com/get started, you can learn all about what we do, folks, because that's what we do. I appreciate you joining us. I think that you guys are probably very much our regular viewers, and we appreciate your support. So please check out marketrebellion.com/get started. We've got education, we've got subscription businesses, we've got crypto, we've got stocks, we've got technical analysis. Whatever you want, chances are we got it. If you can trade it, chances are we got it. All right, third of our 3 at 3 is Vornado, VNO. As I said, this one is a real estate investment trust, that's a REIT, for New York, Chicago, and San Francisco. That's the biggest amount of their exposure anyway, Vornado Realty Trust. And stock's 36.48, they're buying the Jan 40 calls. So I think you already know, with that being $3.50 out of the money, I'm probably buying something like the 35s, 37s, something like that, and then selling a higher strike. That's what I intend to do. This is a chart of Vornado at 36.89. Again, 36.48 when we first saw it this morning, already starting to move a little bit. And I apologize again for this not being at 3 o'clock, but I couldn't do it at 3 o'clock because I'm going to be on the road and we couldn't get the other studio working because people are working on it. So that's what you get. And if you go to Market Rebellion, we appreciate each and every one of you that has done that. You can get all of our videos. You get Pete's The Take. You get my 60-second workout video. You get 3 at 3. You get podcasts and special interviews. You get all of that for free. All you have to do is go to YouTube and then go to the search bar and type in Market Rebellion, click on subscribe, and you're in. Let's see here. That's TJX. Okay, Crypto Rebels. There it is. We do have crypto that's already approved in the Apple App Store. Just go to the App Store and type in Market Rebellion, and you'll see. It's a great one. Questions. I'm going to do these quick. Let's do it. Ren Brewster, whose handle on Twitter is at VW Audi Porsche. Pete is our constant link to the upper Midwest, where they have real winters, even colder than Anchorage. Yeah, that's right. It's lower than Anchorage, too, by the way. Thanks for another great year of great advice. Ren, we appreciate that. It is cold up there this time of year. Pete's in Nebraska right now enjoying that. But Minneapolis is a lovely place, but it is pretty cold. And it is colder than Anchorage. And we appreciate your support. That makes us feel warm all over. So thank you. Walmart. Can we get some thoughts, direction on Walmart? Thoughts? Bullish. Direction? Up. How about that? I think they're going to knock it out of the park with what they've done for the holiday. And the Christmas shopping season has been great for them. They are uniquely positioned to take advantage of that, as Target and Amazon are. And I think they probably knocked it out of the park. So I would stick with the calls that you got. Call spread exit. Jon Najarian, this is said by CESARH, which his handle is CESHALL. Hey, John, when you cut loss at 50% on a call spread trade, is that on the spread as a whole or the call buy portion of the trade? It's on the spread as a whole. So, in other words, I'm saying if I paid $1 for the spread, if it falls to 50 cents, I'm out. If I paid $1.50 and it falls to 75 cents, I'm out. That's how I trade them. You have to decide what's appropriate for you, but that's what works for me. Thank you. Patrick Cannon, Market Rebellion 2021. Patrick Cannon, who is Cannonballs17, his Twitter handle, cannot wait to work with Market Rebels in 2021. Amazing service, true professionals, winning. Thank you, Patrick. Appreciate that. Appreciate all of you and the support that you give us, both by responding to tweets, by sending us questions and so forth. We really do appreciate it. Everybody at Market Rebellion and Crypto Rebellion appreciate it, so thank you. If you'd like to learn more about what we do, go to marketrebellion.com/UOA, which is unusual option activity. That is marketrebellion.com/UOA for unusual option activity. Thank you, folks. Sorry this is abbreviated. It is end of the year. I have to get out of here. So I'm saying have a very safe and happy new year. Do yourself something positive in 2021 by learning a new skill. One of those new skills might be doing just what I talked about, learning how to trade options. It might be being a woodworking expert. It might be singing. It might be playing a banjo. But let's make ourselves better in 2021. Let's appreciate the friends and family we've got. And I wish each and every one of you a very happy new year. Bang! I'll see you on the other side next year, my friends.